All right, Cassidy is about to make a snow angel next to the twin angels. You having fun, Cassidy?
Oh yeah. Wait.
You need help?
I got this.
You got it? You straight? You straight?
I'm straight. I'm trill.
You straight? You straight?
I'm straight.
Okay. There goes Cassidy's snow angel.
You can see where my ponytail is.
Yep. And it's right next to the twin angels right here. Yeah. No! I just messed up Cassidy's snow angel because she messed up mine. See, look at me. See? No. Watch this, watch this, watch this.
Get it.
Yeah. That's true. True and real. That's right. I'm a professional.
I'm a professional.
I'm a professional cougar. I like cougars. With the trash can lid. I got that. I got it.
That was an epic fail.
Epic fail.
This time I lost.
I guess we'll get back at you when we start making the snowman. When we're done. One.
Snowman expert. That's what we have so far.
Don't look like no snowman.
Yeah, but he's gonna help us.
You ready?
You ready for this?
Hey, what should we? Oh, Cassidy.
She about to get it on your man.
No. Move. He's mine. He saw me first.
Oh wait, I forgot you were doing video.
Yeah. Kiss him. Yeah. Ew.
No, the shutter. Now I'm recording y'all snowball fighting. Cassidy and our new friend snowball fighting. Get her, you gotta get her. No, move.
Oh, I'm up high.
Cassidy's down. You okay?
Good sport.
Good sport, good sport. I can't feel my fingers.
That was not happening. Oh my god!
Why are you running, Cassidy?
It's like a fucking frozen crab. Fetal position! Yes! It's going to come back to bite you! Oh, Mission Impossible! Mission Impossible! Mission.
I think your battery is going.
Mission Impossible.
Okay.
If it dies, then we'll just finish whatever happens.
Okay.
Oh my god, he's got another block of frozen ice.
You almost got it. Okay, you ready?
I'm taking a video.
Oh. Hold on.
would you do that? Why would you do that?
About to do something real fucking important and you fell.
Well, since we can't figure out how to take the jumping pictures, we can at least get it on video.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
You gotta hurt yourself.
1, 2, 3.
And my feet go really, really deep into it actually. So leaves really big marks. And oh, our friend found ice. Cool. Really wish you were here.